How much time do you spend at the end of a job installing door hardware? How many endless hours have you spent putting in handle after handle after handle? Remove that stress with pre-installation from CIH. We'll make sure your doors come to you fully and professionally assembled. No need to spend your time and frustration organizing thousands of lock sets, door closers, and flat goods. Let CIH manage the mayhem. We'll keep your doors at our warehouse until you're ready to install, ensuring that they stay safe from damage and out of the way. Best of all, we can make sure your doors are pre-inspected, removing another scheduling hassle from your punch list. CIH. We'll handle the hardware so that you can handle everything else.